Want to start using PayPal on your Instagram shop? As of late 2025, it's a stable and popular option for sellers. First, you'll need a verified Instagram business or creator account and a linked Facebook page with commerce enabled. Crucially, you'll also need a PayPal business account. Personal accounts won't work. Once you have these prerequisites, access Meta Business Suite by logging in at business.facebook.com or using the Meta app. Select your linked Facebook page. Go to Commerce, then Settings. Under Payment Methods, click Add Payment Method and select PayPal. You will then be prompted to sign in to your PayPal business account to authorize the connection between the platforms. This connection links your accounts to allow payment processing through PayPal in your Instagram shop. Make sure to configure your settings, like choosing the transaction types you want to allow and setting up email notifications. Finally, use Meta's test environment to simulate purchases and verify the integration. Then publish your shop. It's that easy. Integrating PayPal unlocks key benefits for your Instagram shop. All transactions are handled securely via SSL encryption, and funds are typically deposited into your PayPal account within 1 to 2 business days. PayPal also provides fraud protection for unauthorized transactions. But what if you run into problems? A common issue is a payment method not available error. If this occurs, double-check that your PayPal and Instagram business accounts are verified and ensure all app permissions are correctly configured. Looking ahead, expect even tighter integration between PayPal and Instagram, leveraging trends like mobile-first commerce and hybrid payment ecosystems. Experts predict deeper AI integrations, which could auto-suggest payment options based on user behavior. The future is bright for social commerce, and PayPal is a key player in driving secure and seamless transactions on Instagram.